Congo never play this fight. Acting as man love chillin' for spite. Bobby 9 youths love make the place bright. East side badness, we don't need practice. No phone calls, whole team fully up.
My wonderful friends, it's me again. The great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, this are my artist, my TRINIBAD artist, the Realistt Dan. And me I play him video, him full video. It called Fully Active. So you don't know say countryman fully active right now. So you hear me I say, all of the TRINIBAD artists them, only can step up and put something on this beat yeah, with the Realistt Dan. Yo, Prezi, anybody, you see me not have no side. My side is good music, like where Real Dan I put out. You understand? If you listen to music yeah, the man not call nobody name, the man a big up him community. You understand? And nothing wrong with that. So yo, I want to listen this, and I want to subscribe, and I want to share that video yeah. Cause listen, you see that artist yeah, him gonna be the next big thing. Him have everything out there, everything ready, and him gonna be the next big thing. Big and serious. I want the artists them jump on this. See? You see that rhythm yeah? I want to jump on it. Cause we want to put out some artists on this. Like me said, the Real Dan are the next biggest thing. And you see me, countryman, you don't want to know my number? My number is 0, bomber clot. Me not have no blood clot alliance. Me only have alliance to the music, good TRINIBAD music. Said, Realistt, big up yourself. San Grande Boss, big up yourself. Triniman, big up yourself. Rum Cream. Yo, I want to send a special shout out to that country. Barbados. Bajan, I want to big up on yourself. And Aubrey Padmore, if you are listening to this, you know who me I talk. Link up countryman. Aubrey Padmore from outer Barbados. Yo, let's watch this video. And I want to like and share it. I'm out. Peace.
East side. Yo, kids. Let them know.
It's a reality.
Run up on them with the day and night. Trill Congo never play this fight. Acting as man love chillin' for spite. Bobby 9 youths love make the place bright. East side badness, we don't need practice. No phone calls, whole team fully active. Roll for the men, so they make them do backflips. You dig, yeah. So what them know about drilling? Trill Congo man, them born in a killing. Ever ready for the walk, all not slipping. Load up the kill, leave boy blood dripping. Strategies of war. If them so lost, then know we get the car. Load up the talks with the new SLR. Rest them out of the talk and we are under attack. Couple shots of lodge, you know them fucking mouth. Cause your mouth too spitty. Knock off your windpipe just like Froggy when it's about you're not happy. Honey then and then you wanna want nothing funny. Then you shoulda listen when they tell you save your money. Cause now I'm not real close, cause you're very girl. Now that man a fucking girl. Boy you shoulda listen when they tell you that you should save your money. Run up on them with the day and night. Trill Congo never play this fight. Acting as man love chillin' for spite. Bobby 9 youths love make the place bright. East side badness, we don't need practice. No phone calls, whole team fully active. Roll for the men, so they make them do backflips. You dig, yeah. Head a drop post on the mat black. Cause the key a clap back, I just snap back. Reach on the block when I catch kicks. Cause them boy I try this and we a cut flicks. Them a start the war and we a finish it. Team very militant, them a full of shit. We they really like the boss, but if you fuck around, send it down and wind the road to meet your host. Check up on the wall, another headless ghost. Tell them shoulda never let it come to this. Now when nobody checked up off the list. Not touching it, but me show me plenty wish. Do this for real, them a full of tricks, yeah. Tell them we don't like the boss, but if you fuck around on your head to toes. Run up on them with the day and night. Trill Congo never play this fight. Acting as man love chillin' for spite. Bobby 9 youths love make the place bright. East side badness, we don't need practice. No phone calls, whole team fully active. Roll for the men, so they make them do backflips. You dig? So what them know about drilling? Real Congo man, them born in a killing. Ever ready for the walk, all not slipping. Load up the gear, leave boy blood dripping, dripping. Strategies of war. If them so lost, then they know we got the car. Load up the talks with the new SLR. Cause them a talk the talk and we are on the rat. A couple shot a lot, none of them fuck him out. Cause your mouth too spitty. Knock off your windpipe just like Froggy when it's but you're not happy. Money done and then you wanna want nothing funny. Then you shoulda listen when they tell you save your money. Cause now I'm not real close, cause you're very girl. Not a motherfucking girl. Boy, you shoulda listen when they tell you that you should save your money. Run up on them with the day and night. Real Congo never play fist fight. Martinez man love drilling fist fight. OB9 youths love make the place bright. East side badness, we don't need practice. No phone calls, whole team fully active. Roll on the men's for them, make them do backflips. You dig, yeah.